Good morning students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. Today we are going to discuss about our term 1 assessment sample paper. Okay. So now see, this is the sample paper. So totally it carries 80 mark. Okay. It is a 80 mark paper. First one, choose the correct option. Okay. In choose the correct option, there are totally 12 questions are there. Okay. Each question carries half mark. Okay. So totally you will get 6 mark. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 12. So totally 12 questions are there. Each question carries half mark. So एक ही क्वेश्चन का 4 options will be given. You have to take the correct option. Okay, 4 options are given. You have to take the correct option. अगर answer सही है, you will get half mark. Okay, then come to question number 2. Write true for the true statements and false for the false statement. So totally 8 questions are there. Each question carries half mark. So you will get 4 marks. Now see, 8 questions are there. 8 question का एक question का half mark. 8 questions का totally 4 marks. अगर ये statement सही है, you have to write true. अगर एक statement false है, you have to write false. Okay. Then come to the next page. So question number 3. Give 2 examples for the following. Okay. So there are 5 questions are there. Okay. Totally 5 questions are there. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. So you have to write the 2 examples. इसका 2 एग्जाम्पल लिखना है, इनका 2 एग्जाम्पल लिखना है. अगर एक एग्जाम्पल सही है, यू विल गेट हाफ मार्क. दोनों सही है 1 मार्क मिलेगा. एक सही है तो आधा मार्क यू विल गेट. ओके. देन फोर्थ वन, गिव 1 वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग. सो हियर ऑल्सो इट इज अ 5 मार्क. ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 1 मार्क. Totally 5 questions are there. So if the answer is right, you will get 1 mark. Then question number 5, very short question answers. So for this, there are 10 questions are there. See, there are 10 questions are there. Each question carries 1 mark. A question answer का you should not write the 2 to 3 lines. You have to write एक ही लाइन का आंसर लिखना है. कोई क्वेश्चन क्या पूछेगा, सिर्फ उसकी आंसर देना है. अनवांटेड आंसर्स यू शुड नॉट राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेयर इज द पाइवट जॉइंट फाउंड. यू हैव टू राइट पाइवट जॉइंट इज फाउंड इन द नेक रीजन. बस इसका एप्ट आंसर क्या है वही लिखना है. फॉर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी, how do feathers helps the bird? So feathers helps the birds to keep their body warm. Okay, बस एक ही लाइन लिखना है. You will get 1 marks. Okay. So then question number 6, short question answer. So here there are 10 questions are there. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay, totally 10 question. एक क्वेश्चन का आपको 2 मार्क मिलेगा. नाउ सी हियर, व्हाई डू सीड्स नीड टू जर्मिनेट. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट. टू फॉर द ग्रोथ, टू व्हाट डू सीड्स नीड टू सीड जर्मिनेट करने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट, सनलाइट, वाटर, एयर टू ब्रीथ. सो इसके एसेंशियल कंडीशन क्या है वही लिखना है. एटलीस्ट 2 लाइन्स, 2 मेन पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू राइट. देन नेम 4 फूड आइटम्स दैट रिच इन विटामिन ए. विटामिन ए का 4 फूड आइटम्स यू हैव टू राइट. सो इट कैरीज 2 मार्क. 2 लाइन यू हैव टू राइट. Okay, totally 10 questions are there. A question का 2 mark. Then A question का 2 mark. Okay, 2 marks, 2 points maximum you have to write. And then this is a very important question number 7, logical questions. So maximum these logical questions will come from your worksheet. Okay, 1 to 8 chapter का worksheet में what are all the logical questions are there. You have to learn that logical questions. So 5 logical questions will be there. Each question carries 3 marks. So totally 15 marks. Maximum you have to write 3 points. कोई जो point important है, okay, you have to mention that points only. Logical question you can write it by your own sentence also. आपके बुक का वैसे लिखने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. आपको क्या पता चला है, लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन थिंक एंड देन यू हैव टू आंसर. खुद का आंसर लिखे हुए भी चलेगा. ओके, मैक्सिमम 3 points you have to write. Okay, so totally it is 15 marks. So concentrate more on these logical questions. Maximum logical questions will come from your worksheet only. Worksheet logical questions you have to keep ready. Okay. Then question number 8, do as directed. Okay, so इसको fill in the blanks will be there. You have to fill the correct options. इधर choice नहीं है, it will be asked from any chapters. Any short answers, any long answer you have to write. So totally see 6 dashes are there. Each dash का you will get half mark. So 6 dash are there, you will get 3 marks. समझ आया? So do as directed का कोई भी chapter से short answers और long answer और book का अंदर भी पूछ सकता है. So totally 6 dashes are there. Okay, each and every fill up you will get half mark. So totally it is 3 marks. Then option B, label the given diagram. Okay, here 6 diagrams are there. Okay, so you have to write the name here. For example, see, what is the name of the process? It is ploughing process. Then here it is a dicot. Then here it is a storage और harvesting भी लिख सकता है. Then here it is sowing. Then molting, process का नाम molting. Here spraying insecticides. So you have to write the name of this process. So for this you will get 3 marks. एक एक डैश का आधा मार्क मिलेगा. So totally you will get 3 marks. Okay. Then come to the next one. Option number C, classify the following. Okay, so here also you will get 3 marks. So totally 6 options are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each and every सही answer है you will get half mark. So options are given here. A option में which are carbohydrates, which are proteins, which are fats. You have to choose and then write. Each and every सही answer का you will get half mark. Okay. Then D, draw a neat label diagram. So you will get 3 marks here. Each and every question का 1.5. You have to draw the structure of the human brain. For this you will get 1.5 marks. Monocot and dicot seed का 1.5 marks. So totally 3 marks will be given. Then E, label the given diagram. So one diagram is given here. Arrow marks are given. You have to write the parts of this diagram. So this will carry 3 marks. Okay, diagram ka 6 parts are there. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one it is a 6. So 6 are there.
6 parts you have to write. See here.